Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how Affine works. Affine is a modern productivity tool that combines document editing with an infinite canvas. It allows you to write structured notes in a clean page format, similar to a traditional note app, and then switch into a free canvas where you can move elements around. One of the most important features is its local-first design. Your data is stored directly on your device, which means you can work offline without depending on cloud storage. This also gives you more control over privacy and ownership of your information. Along with that, it includes AI tools that can help you write faster, summarize long notes, and search within your workspace to find useful information quickly. Many users like how easily they can switch between document mode and canvas mode without losing structure. It feels flexible for both writing and brainstorming. At the same time, some users mention that it still has bugs and is not as advanced in database features compared to more mature tools. There are also ongoing discussions about export options and licensing limitations. Overall, it is a powerful choice for users who want writing and visual planning in one place. It is especially useful for students, creators, and teams who prefer a simple but flexible workspace. Thanks for watching.